So yeah, welcome back developer. So now today we have new custom widget called DelayCode. So this custom widget is nothing but it will help you to add uh, time relation between your codes, right? So suppose you are working in a big project and in that project you have written multiple lines of code, but in some of case you want to add delay between two function or two lines. So how you can do, right? So that is not possible in our SAP SAP Analytics Cloud. So we already have timer. We have timer object, right? We have timer object in our stories, but I think that is just a simple timer which is get triggered when time is completely out. But it's not add delay, I can say, right? So to solve this issue, I comes with the new custom widget which is DelayCode, which will not only add timeout but it will tell your code to wait, right? So this is the custom widget and we already have a blog on this, so you can follow this blog. So in this blog, if you see, we have one method called delay, right? So and you and this delay method have one parameter for millisecond, right? So if you want to add 1 second delay, so you can add 1000, right? So 1000 millisecond is like 1 second, right? So here if you see one example, so what will happen here? So if I write this code, first this will get triggered, and after getting this triggered it will wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so it will wait for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds this code will get triggered, right? So this is how it's work. And we have one event as well, which is just these both are behaving just like same, right? But if you want something that if your delay has completed and you want to get triggered something, you want to do more code, so you can write after this as well, and you can write in this event as well, right? So let's see one example how it's work. So first of all, you have to download one JSON file. So this is my GitHub link. I have already have added this link into this video. You can find in the description, and I will add this blog link as well, right? So go to this blog and just click on this download link, right? So it will download the JSON file. Okay, so now JSON file is downloaded. Now what you have to do, come to our recipe, and after going into stories, just go to custom widget tab and go to custom widget tab, click on this plus icon and select that JSON file which you downloaded. So I'm selecting this and it will got installed, right? Now let me create one story. So I'm creating a new story and let me save as well, and let me give some name, DelayCode. So yeah, I think I already have, let me override it. So now let's add custom widget. So we have two way to add custom widget. You can click on this plus icon, go to custom widget and click on this, and second option you can go to asset tab, go to custom widget and just drag and drop. Okay, so it will show something like this, but this is custom widget. It's like we are calling methods, right? So we don't need to show this, so you can just simply hide this because we don't want. Just go to outline, click on this, and you can do one more thing, go to styling, change visibility to hidden, right? Now let's get one button and let me give one name. Now go to on click. So now here what I will do, first of all I will show some I can say I can show some message or notification. Let me call this. So let me give one message, welcome. After this I will add this delay. So suppose I am adding delay for the 5 seconds, so I will add 5000. Okay, and after delay completed, after 5 seconds completed, now I will show another message. So here I can see 5 seconds completed. Now let me save this. Now click on the view. Now I'm clicking on this button. So see, I'm getting welcome message, but after 5 seconds I will get that another message, right? So what happened when I click on this button? First this line got triggered, then this method got triggered, but it tells that code to wait for 5 seconds, then only this code will get run. Okay, so what happened, this is, I can say this is a custom widget and just a simple functionality, but yes, if I worked on multiple projects and sometimes I face this kind of issue, like we are working on the large scripting, so sometimes it's happen we have to add some timer between the code. I mean, sometimes what's happen, you are retrieving some data, and after retrieving that data you have to pass the data to somewhere, but what happened, even data is not loaded, but it got passed to that another function, but data is not loaded, right? If data is not loaded, so there is no sense to pass that data to another application, right? So due to that, you can call this method. So what will happen, if you're writing something here, first that will get completely stored, right? Suppose I'm storing some data in this line, so first that line will save the data, then I will wait for the 5 seconds, and after data is loaded, then I will call this whatever I want to run, right? So yeah, sometime it will help you, so that you can use, right? So let me do some more things. Let me add some busy indicator like working, and after I will hide it back. Now let me make it to 10 seconds. I come here, I refresh. Now I'm clicking on this button. So now, oh, I think I added 1 second. Let me put 10. Right, so 10,000 is 10 seconds. Let me save it again. Come here, refresh. I'm clicking on this. Now it will run till 10 seconds, and then that code will get runs which we have written below, right? So now see, 10 seconds is completed, but it's in 5 seconds because I didn't change this, but you guys understand, right? And so this is how it's work. Okay, and we have one event also for this custom widget. So if you go to this custom widget and click on this function icon, so there is a one event called timeout. So this is nothing but it is also like we are doing here, right? So if I cut this code and paste here, the same thing will happen. So it's on you. If you want to write here, you can write here, and if you want to write here, you can write here as well, right? So let me save this. So this is the same thing will happen here, right? So here if you see, we are just doing this welcome message, and we are adding 10-second delay. Now when 10 seconds is completed, that function will get triggered and it will run whatever we have here. So I'm clicking on this button again. So let's wait for 10 seconds. So see, the same thing happened. So this is what this custom widget do, right? So I understand this is not a big custom widget, it's just a simple custom widget, but yeah, I love to do this kind of things, right? So thank you, and if you guys have any question, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me on my LinkedIn profile, which I have already mentioned in this video. Okay, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.